Hello, dear soul, and welcome to these two main keys of how to manifest the most effortless way. So, in these two modules, I'm going to cover of how I manifested all those different things that you've seen on the post, which took me so long to realize how easy manifestation can actually be when you understand how it all works together and what is blocking you, when you can identify your blind spots. And when I understood this, then I could see that it really is about finding the most effortless way possible that will bring all that you desire and bigger things that you cannot even imagine. So in this video, I'm going to give you the 4-step formula that works every time to manifest what it is you want in your life right now. No matter what it is, small or big, because there's literally nothing small, nothing big. It's the value we put into things. We give the meaning to life and get more of that meaning we put into things. So how is it that we can manifest the most effortless way possible? Well, it is actually something called passion. And when I said passion, it is a frequency. It's not only limited to what society may call as passions, like doing music or a specific job, a career. It's actually something you can do all the time. And passion is a frequency that is your higher mind or higher self, God, source, whatever you might call it, really doesn't matter. But it is, we can say, our higher mind that is guiding us through the frequency that we call passion to manifest what it is we're desiring, what it is we need, and even bigger things that we cannot imagine. Because passion is one of the highest frequencies and it's our natural being. So there's also, of course, some resistance that can make us not see clearly and understand what is it that we're actually passionate about. And that we're also going to cover in the next session of how to let go of resistance and what resistance truly is. The truly one block that is bugging your manifestation and that you don't need more fixing. But anyway, let's stick to the topic of this video, which is the 4-step formula, which is the only thing you need to do to manifest anything in your life. So if you follow this clearly, I promise you it works every time. So the first step is to have a clear vision, a clear intention of what it is that you're desiring into your life. If you're saying it's money, example, like if you say $50,000. Well, what are you going to use these $50,000 on? Like really have the most clear vision you can have in detail so you can embody the state of it. The state of freedom, of love, of safety. So the most important thing here is to embody the state. And the vision we have is just a permission slip to be in that state. So the more clear you get, the more you get into the state, the more you can allow yourself to be in that state. And it's never about the thing itself, the thing you're desiring, that it is you're desiring. It is actually the thing you get out of it. It's the energy, it's the state you get out of it. So first, have a clear intention, set an intention, visualize it, embody the state as you wish fulfilled. And only because you need the state, not because you need the thing. We're doing this because of the state, so we can embody the state, because that is what all matters. It doesn't matter what happens, it only matters what state of being you are in. That matters. That will turn into little matter, you can see? So it's never about the things, it's about the state. So step number 2 is to act on your highest excitement, and also what I told you guys about before, passion. So acting on your highest excitement could be going for a walk. It could be taking a shower. Like I said, doesn't need to have logically in your mind to do connecting with your desire or how to manifest your desire. Because it's not your job to figure out how or when. It's only your job to follow and listen to that passion you feel right now, to do right now. Maybe the reason why you feel passion to go for a walk right now, you feel excitement for that, is because maybe you're going to meet someone that's going to be a partner, or someone that's going to be a business partner, or even you're going to see just money on the street, or it's a permission step for you to be more in alignment with your desire to feel more free, more gratitude for nature, for going for a walk. You never know the reason why, but you don't need to know the reason why. You just need to follow it and trust the flow of passion of your natural self, because it is your natural self. It's your highest self, your higher mind guiding you to express that and to then get what is meant for you, that you do by following your excitement. Step number 3 is to then completely, utterly let go of how, of when, and also of the specific outcome, that it should be this specific outcome. Not that you are not going to get what it is you're desiring, just that you're letting go of if it's going to turn out exactly the way you imagine. Maybe it's even better than you can imagine. So completely letting go of that. Letting go of the insistence, because insistence is resistance. So letting go of the insistence. Letting go of what you think it should look like. So your higher mind can work out the best case scenario for you that you might not even be able to imagine right now. Even that you have an ideal reality in your head, which is so exciting, that's great. But let go of how it should look like, because you never know. Maybe it's going to turn out exactly as you imagine. Maybe it's going to turn out so different, but it's better than you can ever imagine. And step number 4 is to stay in a positive state. And this is not at all about staying in a high vibration like this toxic happiness. It's truly about seeing everything that's happening in your life as for your own benefit. So, example, if you're experiencing something you don't prefer, then you can say, okay, I can see this, I can use as a positive thing, because now I have more clarity on what I don't prefer. Then I can have more clarity on what I do prefer. So in that way, you can use it in a positive way. Or if it is that you, example, lose money, you can say, well, it's a way for me to have more gratitude for money. That now that I lose money, then I can remember to have more gratitude for it. You can always see it from a positive perspective. It's not about pretending or suppressing emotions. It's just about seeing it from a positive, because there's also negative. There's a million different ways to look at it, in a negative way and a positive way or a neutral way. There are 3 points of views. So decide on where it is you're going to stay, because there is nothing that is set in meaning. It is you that give life meaning, and you will get more of that. And that doesn't mean that you cannot be sad or you cannot be afraid. It just means that what you put out, you will get back. So even if you feel sad and you put a positive meaning in that you will get something positive out of it, you will naturally get that back. Even when you're feeling sad, emotions is just temporary. And when we just accept them, validate them, then we can let them go. And it doesn't mean that we're going into the story and just like into this loop of sadness, because it's not the story, it's not the thoughts, but it's just an emotion. So that said, we stay in a positive state, and we can let whatever emotions that arises just be there and without the stories. And that we're going to cover tomorrow, of how to shift all your resistance or your beliefs to then shift it to what you prefer. Because there's only one block to manifesting, and that we're gonna cover tomorrow. And I will just say again, it's never about fixing you, it's just about unlearning and coming back to your natural self, breathing deeply. So let me just give you a short resume of the 4 steps. So the first is intention, visualizing, embodying the state. Second is acting on your highest excitement. Third is letting go of any expectations, of any insistence of how it should look like and how and when. Just letting go of insistence. And number 4 is to stay in a positive state, no matter what happens. Because like I said, it doesn't matter what happens, it only matters what you do with what happens, which is your state of being, how you respond to it, which we're gonna cover more about that tomorrow. And I would love to hear your intention, what it is you're manifesting, what it is you're embodying, and what your thoughts about this is. And then I'll just see you in the next module.